If you're looking to upgrade the ride and performance of your Chevy 1500, GMC Sierra AT4, or even a Trail Boss like this one, then you need Rancho's Performance Upper Control Arms. They're built to enhance the performance and durability of your level or even lifted Chevy or GMC. These control arms keep the ball joint in the proper angle and provide additional wheel travel and caster to aid in alignment, especially when compared to factory control arms on lifted applications. One thing to note, if you do have a lifted application and you're wanting to get that additional travel and caster, you will also need to do a shock upgrade. Each control arm features OE-style rubber bushings to give you that smooth, whisper-quiet operation, as well as pre-installed replaceable ball joints. The arms are topped with a durable black powder coat finish that resists rust and corrosion for time to come. Rancho has engineered the Performance Upper Control Arms to last. They're made of a heavy-duty tubular steel for durability where and when you need it most. Rancho includes a spacer with this kit, so if you drive a Trail Boss like this one, it's a great solution to level your ride. These control arms are a direct fit and simple bolt-on design to make installation easier and quicker. Plus, it comes with all the hardware needed, so you don't have to worry about separate part numbers or ordering additional parts. If you're looking to upgrade the performance of your ride, you can buy with confidence with Rancho. The Performance Upper Control Arms for the Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 are backed with a limited lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase this product or have it installed, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.